Hello, dear students. Today, we are going to study questions in simple present. I mean the specific questions in simple present. This is Miss Gladys Machado. When we make questions in simple present, we have to keep in mind a kind of formula where the question words is written in the first time. So here we have in first place the question word, and we can mention what, where, when, which, and others. Then we have to add the auxiliary of the simple present, then the pronoun or name, and then the verb and the complement. Here we have a sentence where I have divided or put in different colors. In red we have the verb. In green we have the subject. And in blue we have the complement of the sentence. This is very important to know before we start making our questions. Here we're going to mention the formula, but with very clear examples. We mentioned that we use the question words like who, what, when, where, or others. Then we add the auxiliary. What is the auxiliary for the simple present? Yes, do and does. And which pronouns are used with do? I, you, we, and they. And for does, we have he, she, and it. After this, we have to add here the pronoun that we have already mentioned here, then the verb and the complement. So now let's see. Here we have a sentence. The students study science in the laboratory. And here we have another sentence which has three different colors. Why did I write with different colors? Because I want you to look at the question words here. What? The answer is science. Where? In the laboratory. And who? The students. As you can see, each question word has to be with a part of the sentence. And I put a different color so you can recognize. Now let's see. Here we have the question. We're going to start with making the question, the specific question. Here we say what is the question word, then the auxiliary. But before that, we have to consider that the subject could be represented or can be represented by a pronoun. In this case is they. Why? Because we have here, you see, they works with do. So we say what, the auxiliary, do, then we have the subject, what do the students, or you can say what do they study in the laboratory, you see. Then we have where, the same, do the students study, where do they study? In the laboratory, so that doesn't go in the questions. And finally, we have the who subject, which has a different way to do it. You just change the subject for the question word who. And you put the verb in the third person. So who studies science in the laboratory? I hope that the explanation was clear enough so you can understand how to make specific questions in simple present. Well, thank you very much. See you next time. Here you have my email, so you can ask me any question if you are not sure about something. Bye-bye.